Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 25. The same in honor and dishonor, the same to friend and foe. Abandoning all undertakings, he is said to have crossed beyond the gunas.
Chapter 14, Shloka 25. मान अपमानयोस्तुल्यः तुल्यो मित्रारिपक्षयोः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी गुणातीतः स उच्यते.
Chapter 14, Shloka 25. This shloka concludes the answer to Arjuna's second question, started with the shloka number 23. The egoistic evaluation of life respects honor and shun dishonor. The sense of equanimity in honor and dishonor is described here as definite signs of perfection attained. A divine man has his own special angle of seeing the happenings around. Honor and dishonor are the evaluations of the intellect that change from time to time, from place to place. To one who has gone beyond the egoism and vanity, both are the same. A crown of thorns is as welcome as a crown of roses. A man of wisdom has risen above the gunas and has no foe in the world, nor is attached to anyone in earthly friendships. My right hand is never a foe to me, nor is it merely a friend. It is myself. I can have enmity or friendship only with other than myself. A man of tranquility, living in God consciousness, has no ego in him, nor has he egocentric desires which cause sorrows, so no ego motivated activities too. Therefore, he, the God inspired, works in the world as a God-man. These qualities have to be cultivated by every seeker if he was to gain inner freedom and are representing the marks of one who has transcended the gunas. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.